Vinyl window installation Loves Park is a top choice for homeowners seeking energy-efficient windows. Our custom vinyl windows are designed to enhance your home's aesthetic while providing superior insulation. With a variety of vinyl window styles available, you can find the perfect match for your home. Energy-efficient windows Loves Park are essential for reducing energy costs and improving comfort. Our vinyl window solutions offer excellent thermal performance, keeping your home warm in the winter and cool in the summer. Choose from our range of vinyl windows, Loves Park options to find the best fit for your needs. Custom vinyl windows Loves Park offer a personalized touch to your home. Our vinyl window experts can help you select the right design and features to complement your home's architecture. With vinyl window upgrades, you can enhance both the look and functionality of your windows. Window replacement Loves Park services are crucial for maintaining your home's value and efficiency. Our vinyl window contractors provide professional installation and vinyl window maintenance to ensure long-lasting performance. Trust our vinyl window specialists for all your window replacement needs. Double-hung vinyl windows Loves Park are a popular choice for their classic look and easy operation. These vinyl window designs offer excellent ventilation and are available in various vinyl window frames to suit your style. Discover the benefits of double-hung vinyl windows for your home. Vinyl window replacement in Loves Park is essential for keeping your windows in top condition. Our vinyl window replacement services address common issues such as leaks, drafts, and broken seals. Rely on our vinyl window experts to restore your windows to their original performance. Affordable vinyl windows Loves Park provide a cost-effective solution for homeowners. Our vinyl window deals and vinyl window discounts make it easy to upgrade your windows without breaking the bank. Explore our vinyl window offers to find the best value for your investment. Vinyl window contractors in Loves Park are dedicated to delivering high-quality installation and service. Our team of vinyl window specialists is committed to ensuring your satisfaction with every project. Schedule a vinyl window consultation to discuss your needs and receive a vinyl window estimate. Vinyl window styles in Loves Park offer a wide range of design possibilities. From traditional to contemporary, our vinyl window options cater to every taste. Our vinyl window specialists can help you choose the perfect style to complement your home's exterior.